Shabbat guys, and welcome back to WWS. Second video of the weathering powders coming on after this. Stay tuned. Right, so what we're going to do first is light earth. Right? So I'll move that one out of the way. Like I said, pop on, pop off lids. And with this one, I'm going to use a dry brush technique. Okay, right. So it's just literally dip the brush into the powder, and now we're going to start brushing it alongside the track. Yeah, keeping it close to the track because that's where all the grime and the dirt comes. Okay, so there's your light earth done. Okay, you can see it's quite a harsh line. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is blend a little bit of concrete dust just to give that a little bit of a highlight. Open it off. A little bit of highlight, and to get away the harshness of that line. So again, same dry brush, same brush. Don't go right up to the track. All you're doing is just to blend that harsh line of the earth back into the ballast, so it looks like it was a line of dirt. You know what I mean? It just seeping through. And